Hello viewer, we will edit that image into three parts. So first we will make the selection of the upper part, make it selected. Now we will go to the ripples, we have made it in this way. Then I will make the selection using the rectangular tool and we will go with that mid of the image. Choose the filters, going to the filter gallery for that purpose. I will use that one, customize it. So we have done that. And at the end we will go to the lower part or the bottom part of the image. So here we will use some different filters including these options. I will go with that one. So that's it. Thank you for watching.